Hi guys, Ishpreet here. Welcome back to Slick and Natty. In today's video, I'll show you how to make these ruffle hair bands or scrunchies as they are called. Not only do these hair bands look cute, but these are also very easy and quick to make, and the best part is that you can make these in any color from any leftover or scrap fabric that you might be having lying at home. So take a scrap fabric piece of your choice and from it cut out a strip which is about 20 inches long and 4 inches wide. And if your cloth piece is not very large, then you can even reduce the length of this strip a bit and keep it anywhere between 16 to 20 inches, which will result in a little smaller hairband, but it will still be good. And after marking this strip on the cloth piece, simply cut it out. So you've got your strip which is about 20 inches long and 4 inches wide, and before proceeding any further, just iron it once so that it is straightened out. After this, place the strip with its right side facing upwards and then fold it in half. Next, you have to give a straight stitch close to the edge like I am doing here. This is a straight simple stitch, so you can even do it with the help of thread and needle if you don't have a sewing machine. So here our stitch is done close to the edge, as you can see. And next, take a safety pin and attach it to one end of the strip like this. Then put the safety pin inside and use it to pull the right side of the tube out. Once done, you can remove the safety pin. And now, as you can see, you've got one long tube which is open at both the ends. Fold one of its ends a little inside like this. And then iron over the folded part so that it stays in place. So your tube now has one end which is folded and pressed and the other end which is unfolded and unpressed. Next, you will need some elastic, and for hair bands it is better to use these round type of elastic strings or elastic dories, which is easily available in the market, but if you don't get it, then you can even use this flat type of elastic, but use one which is narrow and not very wide. To make the scrunchie, you will need about 8-inch long elastic string, so I am cutting it here to the required length. Now attach a safety pin to one end of the elastic string and then insert the elastic string into the fabric tube. Pull the elastic through the entire tube and this will gather the tube slightly. Once the end of the elastic is out from the other side, tie both the ends together in a double knot. Push the knot inside and pull the tube so that the entire elastic string gets covered. Then insert this unfolded and unpressed edge under the folded edge like this. So you can see that the two edges are overlapping each other now with the folded and the pressed edge covering the raw edge. Once done, stitch the two edges together with the help of thread and needle to close the opening. And this is it, your scrunchie or ruffle hair band is ready. So this was a very simple and fun DIY for you guys, and you can make as many of these hair bands as you like from all the waste fabrics that you have lying at your home. So I hope that you found this video useful. Do subscribe to my channel for more such videos and connect with me on my Instagram, Facebook and Twitter accounts. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.